In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Reels history on Facebook. If your Reels recommendations feel off or you simply want a clean slate, clearing your watch history is the quickest fix. This process removes the list of videos Facebook records as watched, and that includes Reels. It won't delete your posts, likes, or saved items, but it can refresh what Facebook suggests to you. Start by opening your Facebook account and heading to the main menu. On desktop, click the small arrow in the top right. On the mobile app, tap the menu icon. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. This is where Facebook groups tools that control your account and activity. Next, press Settings. This opens the full settings area for your profile. If you have multiple profiles or pages, make sure you're managing the right one before you continue. Inside Settings, look for Activity Log. The activity log is Facebook's timeline of the things you do on the platform, searches, likes, comments, and importantly for this video, the videos you've watched. If you don't spot it right away, it may be under your information, or you can use the search box at the top of settings to find activity log by name. Once you're in the activity log, find the entry labeled videos you've watched. This section contains your entire watch history, and yes, that includes Reels and other Facebook videos. Open it to review what's been tracked on your account. At the top of this page, you'll see Clear Video Watch History. Select this to remove your entire watch list. Facebook may ask you to confirm since this action is permanent. After you confirm, your video watch history, including Reels, is cleared. This can help reset the algorithm so future recommendations better reflect what you want to see now. A few quick tips as you finish up. Give the feed a little time to adjust. Recommendations typically update as you watch new content. Clearing watch history does not unfollow creators or remove your reactions. If you don't see these options, make sure your app or browser is up to date and try again. And remember, you're clearing history only for the account you're signed into, not all accounts at once. That's it. You've successfully cleared your Reels history on Facebook using the activity log. If this helped, keep these steps handy the next time you want a fresh start for your video recommendations.